Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today we'll keep going to talk about the artwork and Feng Shui. We mentioned some of the artwork and Feng Shui in part 1. Okay, today we're going to keep going to talk about this part 2. Okay, and let's say for me, when I was young, I really liked those like a cartoons, like a model. And when I visit some of my friends' home or go to Feng Shui my clients' home, from time to time, I see them put some like a cartoons model in their home. And one of the really popular like a cartoons model, which is the Gundam, and I like it too. But you know that for that kind of a cartoons model, there may be some like a Feng Shui concern. First of all, they have a weapon. They have a really sharp object. So you will create some like a damaging energy. So this is, first of all, you need to pay attention. And secondly, if you choose some, let's say you choose some like a good people as a cartoons model, that will be fine. But if you choose some villain to be your cartoons model, there may be some issue because they will create some like a negative energy and bring some negative energy to you. Especially when you see some cartoons model, they smile like a really like a villain and they have like a bad shape, then you need to pay extra attention. And other thing is like some people will like to put some doors or other stuff in their home. So you need to pay attention. Let's say for Halloween, we want to watch some movie. Some movies are like the Chunky series, which is really scary, and I like to watch too. But imagine if you bring that kind of doors back to your home, then it may create something unexpected damage because we don't want that bad spirit is together and bring it to your home. So you need to pay extra attention for that one. Okay, and other topic is the balance between the yin and yang. Okay, we can imagine like this: the yang is something related to guy, to man, and yin is something related to female. So this is a really simplified definition, but it's more than that. But I just want to simplify it. Okay, if let's say if for your home, you live in like all the guys live in the home and there's no girl, no female, and you put some male like a characteristic cartoons model, then that will be too much male or young energy. So this is not a balance. Or let's say if your home is all of them are female and you keep putting like a female cartoons model, then there will be too much yin energy. You know, in the traditional Feng Shui energy, we want to be balanced. The yin yang is balanced. So if too many guys, we need to have some female energy. If too many female, we need to have a male energy to make it as a balance. Just like the traditional Feng Shui. Okay, for traditional Feng Shui, we believe that the road is considered as the virtual water. So the road is like flowing too much, like a straight road, then this is not really good. So we want a curved road. Or let's say if your front door and your back door is in the same line, it considered as the virtual flow of the energy just going straightly from your front door to the back door, and then the money cannot stop. So we want to make it as a curved road. We want to make a balance. So it's the same as the male and female. We want to make it a balance. So this is for your information. Okay. Another thing which is really good is the lucky cat from Japan, the Japanese lucky cat. You know, I'm originally from Hong Kong, and in Hong Kong, lots of like a restaurant, shop, they like to put that Japanese lovely cat. First of all, they like Japanese culture, and also they like this lovely cat. And you know that this Japanese lovely cats can have a really good Feng Shui energy if you can do it really good. Okay, we know that the lucky cat, some of the cat will just hand up with the right hand, some of the cat will just hand up with the left hand. But the left and right, there's something we need to pay attention. Okay, in traditional Feng Shui, we believe that left is dragon, is good people. Right is tiger, although it's also related to money luck, but they're more related to like a villain, like a bad people. So for the lucky cat, definitely if we want to put in our shop, our restaurant, our retail store, we want to welcome the good customer to come in. So we will choose the lucky cat that is raising the left hand, and then if let's say if shaking, then you can put it in the close to the door, or if the hand is not shaking, then you can place it in front of the door. So you open the front door, then you see this lucky cat. That will bring good energy to you. So this is a function way to use it. And the color do matter, okay? But we'll mention this for the next series. Okay. And other artwork we can consider is, okay, if let's say, for example, you open your front door, you see something funny. Let's say you see a T-straight, or you see like a tree in front of you, or you see like a traffic light or light pole in front of you, which is totally against you. At that time, normally we'll use a background mirror to against it. Okay, as we mentioned before, there's a 3 types of background mirror. There's a flat type, then there's a convex mirror, and then the other is a concave mirror. So normally, if there's a T-section or something bad outside, we will use the convex mirror to kick that bad energy out. So something round shape, and then we'll kick the bad energy out. So the same as the artworks. Okay, if let's say if your window, open your window, you see something is not really bad, maybe the gap between 2 buildings or some sharp angle is not really good, then you can choose like a round shape, like an artwork, to put it close to your window. Then that can serve as the same meaning of the convex background mirror to kick the bad energy out. Or let's say your corridor is like a really long, then you can put this like a round shape artwork in the middle. You can slow down the airflow and give a good energy. Or let's say if you your front door and then your back door is on the same line, you can also put this like a round shape artwork in the middle. That can help to neutralize the energy. So this is something good. Okay, for the artwork, the best artwork for us is based on different like a location we can choose. Let's say for the south, is belong to the fire energy, so something plastic will be more appropriate. Okay, for the north is belong to the water energy, so something like a metal will be good. Or the west, the northwest is also belong to the metal energy, so metal stuff artwork will be more appropriate. The east and the southeast is belong to the wood energy, so some wooden one will be more appropriate. Okay, for the middle, and then for the southwest, and then for the northeast is belong to the earth energy. So ceramic or something related artwork will be more appropriate. And another really good topic is the missing corner. And we know that if let's say if your home, there's a 2 really important corner, it can't be go missing. The first important corner, which is the northwest corner, which is belong to the daddy corner. If let's say if your home is missing the northwest corner, the guy in the house, or the husband or the granddaddy in the house will not have a good reputation or good status just because the missing corner. And other related really important corner is the southwest corner, which is belong to the mom. And this corner, it can't be missing. So if let's say if your home is missing this corner, you need to do something to like add up those energy. And you can see that for this background chart. Okay, let's say for the northwest belong to the daddy corner, you can use a horse to represent. So put a horse that will help to boost the energy of the northwest. And the northwest is belong to the metal one, so put a metal horse over there, that would be fine. Okay, and because this northwest is belong to the guy, so a male horse metal one is more appropriate. Okay, and other corner is the southwest corner, which is belong to the mom. So if missing, we can put a cow, which is a female one, and ceramic will be more appropriate to put it in the southwest location. Then it can help to boost the energy of the southwest and help to neutralize this missing corner Feng Shui effect. Okay, and other 2 corners is also really important. One is the south, is belong to the sun, the first sun, which is you can use the dragon to represent. And then the other corner is the southeast, which belong to your first daughter, you can use a rooster to represent. And all those corners are woody corner, so you can use some woody dragon or woody rooster to help. Good luck and thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to learn more about traditional Feng Shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current Feng Shui setting and yearly Feng Shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.